brought you into a plentiful land to eat fruit and rich produce. But you came in and defiled my land and made my inheritance detestable. Jeremiah 2:7. Good morning, everyone. The global climate is changing and is going to affect the environment and natural resources and ecology. Global warming, climate change, pollution, and ecological imbalances are some of the major concerns of the ecologists around the world. What is ecology? Ecology is environmental friendly living where all organisms need to interact with other organisms in order to survive. Ecological imbalances, degradation, deforestation, faulty utilization of natural resources, industrial pollution, etc. How to overcome ecological imbalance? 3 R's of sustainability: reduce, reuse, and recycle. The 3 R's are to prevent the exploitation of natural resources such as conserve energy, planting trees and plants, and stop deforestation. This will help reducing the pressure on the ecosystem, and it can also be fun too to practice waste management, that is recycling and reusing. Let us take a minute right now to learn about waste and waste management so you can be a key player in making our world safe and healthy place. So friends, I'm gonna show you some waste management activities that were taught by our Sunday school teachers. These activities, it may help you to utilize all the waste items that are left at home. So these were some waste boxes. You can paint it and decorate it as you wish, and you can use this as planters. So I'm gonna show you an activity on bird feeder. All the material you need is a tiffin handle and a broken bowl or any other bowl. You need to insert the bowl into the handle. You can place some grains or bird food inside the bowl, and with the help of satin you can tie it up to a tree. I'm gonna show you another activity on bird feeder. All the material you need is a cylindrical carton, some popsicle sticks, and 2 plates. You can paint them as you wish and decorate it. You need to insert the popsicle sticks into the carton and then glue the lower part of the carton to the plate, and you can glue the other plate on the upper part of the carton. You can place some grains on the lower plate and pour water in the upper plate. So friends, I'm here to show another activity on pollution control. All the material you need is a rope, a plastic plate, and lotion or petroleum jelly. This may help you when all the dust comes towards your garden or your house. All the dust get attracted to the plate. You need to tie the rope to the edge of the plate and then apply the lotion on the plate. You can tie it up to your garden or hang it up to your door. So friends, let me tell you to make the ways to make our environment a better place. Off the lights and taps when not in use. Take shopping bags instead of bringing home plastic. Rainwater harvesting. Maintain wet and dry wastage bins. Stop polluting the earth. Avoid exploiting natural resources. Last but not the least, as we are in the pandemic situation, wear mask and make sure that you dispose it safely. Use hand sanitizer and hand wash. Hey, what are you doing? The birds and animals may feed at it and may cause harm to the ecosystem. Can you see a dustbin there?
Yes.
Go put it there.
Thank you, brother, for advising me. I'll advise others.
So, friends, let us make a promise to make this place which our Heavenly Father has created so wonderfully, and because we are fearfully and wonderfully made, and God has given the authority of being guardians of this beautiful earth, let us make this earth a better place to live for our fellow beings and our upcoming generations as well. Thank you. Stay safe.